Hi guys, welcome back. We got the cryptocurrency market, our daily video analytics, and you're looking at the BitcoinCash daily chart. Now, I have a lot of respect to the BitcoinCash, mostly to its technical picture. So I think the BitcoinCash is actually the main barometer for the rest of the market. Right now, we have a bearish market that is lasting for more than 6 months. And I think the BitcoinCash can help us determine the right moment where that market is going to shift into a bullish market, into a bullish run. Now, you can see this massive symmetric setup, right? This massive trading range that goes back all the way to the end of 2017, and it's very chaotic, very volatile, but also falls quite nicely in the limits of the setup. And I just draw what I believe to be 3 very well established legs. Now the fourth leg I think was had already begun, and we actually already had the first upside segment of that fourth leg. The fourth leg, I want to remind you, should end up in the upper section of that setup, at least at the minimum the level of 2340. So I think that was the first upside segment, followed by what I think is a local downside correction, nothing more than that, which means this is still part of this upside move. Now, the reason I say it is very specific. I actually took this move, right, this upside segment, and from the very bottom to the very top, I measured the last level of correction, 76.4, and here's exactly where it falls. Take a look at this line here, this blue dotted line, 901. That's exactly the price, 901, right? Now, you might say that price is actually trading below that level, and that would be true, right? So it seems that price actually broke that level, but I want to remind you, this is just a daily chart. So we shouldn't take that too seriously, especially in the cryptocurrency market where the monthly close has the final say. And what I think is gonna happen here is by the end of this month, right, price would actually go back, close, establish itself above that level, that key level 901, and close the monthly bar above that level as well. And that's going to be a huge indication that this was indeed just a local correction and we're about to engage with another upside move. And that's probably reflective for the rest of the cryptocurrency market, right? So that's very important stuff. Now let me show you the monthly chart that I was talking about, okay? Take a look at this, and here is just remember this level I was referring to, 901, right? So we noticed that that was the upside segment, right, followed by a downside correction, and you can see how the previous month was given lots of respect to that level, and I believe this month will do the same. We can already see the spike that's starting to emerge here, right? So price doesn't have to pull much just to close back above that level, and from that point on, I believe an upside reversal will follow. All right. Now, last thing I probably want to say here is obviously, the natural reservation that we should have. If price doesn't end up closing the monthly bar, which is this month, June, above that 901 level, that suggests that price will probably gonna have another dip, another drop, and will probably take the previous low. And take a look where that would lead us. That would lead us below the level of 600. Actually exactly to the level of 600. So that's the downside potential unless we close the monthly bar above the 901, right? So it all boils down to the end of the month, and I'll definitely follow up and I'll keep you posted. See you in the next video.